Finny Finds the Ocean by Johny's book. In a little glass tank lived a curious fish named Finny. Every day he swam in circles and peeked out, wishing he could see the wide world.
I wonder what is out there.
He sighed. The ocean, the rivers, the endless blue. He wanted to see it all. One morning, a friendly seagull landed on the window ledge.
Why do you look so sad, little fish?
The seagull asked.
I want to see the world,
Finny said.
but I am stuck in this tank.
The seagull tilted his head.
Then I will help you.
With a careful scoop of his beak, the gull lifted Finny in a seashell filled with water. Up into the sky they went. They soared over gardens, rivers, and fields. Finny's eyes sparkled at every new sight. At last, they reached the sparkling ocean. The gull lowered the shell gently to the waves. With a joyful splash, Finny swam free. He darted past coral, danced with dolphins, and joined a school of rainbow fish. Finny looked back and waved his fin.
Thank you, friend. I will never forget your kindness.
The seagull squawked happily before flying into the blue sky. Moral of the story: with a little help from a friend, even the biggest dreams can come true. The end.